Ladies, gentlemen, and storytellers of all ages, welcome back to Ink and Grow Rich, your weekly dose of free storyboarding magic. If you're new here, congratulations, you just stumbled upon the best kept secret on YouTube. If you're a returning viewer, know that I love you and would like to express my love to you in the form of more free assets. Last week, we kicked things off with some city backgrounds, which proved to be quite the crowd pleaser. So this week, we're back with a similar collection called Suburban Neighborhoods. If you missed out on last week's treasure trove, don't panic because all the previous downloads are still available. So here's the deal. You simply click that shiny little link below, drop in your email, and boom, I'll send you the download link that's packed with all of the new stuff, plus all of last week's goodies. Remember, every Sunday, like clockwork, there'll be something fresh waiting for you to download. So go ahead, hit that link, send me your email, and we'll keep this party going. Next week, I'll have another full-length storyboarding tutorial ready for you to go. So keep those pencils sharp, keep those ideas sharper. Until next time, this is Vinny DeLay, Ink and Grow Rich.